Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we discuss about classification of EEG signal using wavelet packet GA, RBF. It is the modified title of classification of mental task EEG signals using wavelet packet entropy and SVM. To enhance the EEG classification performance, we should reduce the computational complexity which mainly occurs during the feature selection. Finding the right features combination is indeed a hard task. The computational requirements of exhaustive search methods increase exponentially with the number of features in the original set. Thus, we introduce genetic algorithm for selection of feature. EEG is the recording of electrical activity along the scalp. EEG measures voltage resulting from ionic current flows within the neurons of the brain. In clinical context, EEG refers to the recording of the brain's spontaneous electrical activity over a short period of time. We use wavelet packet transformer to extract the feature of EEG signal and then use GA algorithm for select the best feature of EEG signal and then use RBF classifier to classify the data. For it is the EEG signal is normal or abnormal. This is the flow diagram for our proposed system. In our proposed system, first we load the EEG signal. The test EEG signal is contain a data of brains, and then the EEG signal go to the feature extraction process. The feature extraction process we use wavelet packet transformer. In this algorithm is the best basis selection algorithm. Decided a decomposition of structure among the library of possible bases by measuring a data dependent cost function. The number of non-zero coefficients after thresholding is used as the cost function. Then we extract the feature, then we go to the feature selection process. In the feature selection process, we use genetic algorithm. In the genetic algorithm contains several steps. The step 1 start with a randomly generated population of chromosomes. Then step 2 create the population size. The limits of the roots or bounds are specified. Then step 3 the roots which are selected are the initial values of the roots repeat. Then step 4 a selection method called normalized geometric selection is applied so that any random value can be selected. Selection is based on fitness value of the root. Then step 5 reproduce the selected roots so as to get the optimized solution. In step 6, crossover called arithmetic crossover and uniform mutation are performed so as to alert the roots to get a optimized root. Then step 7, calculate the fitness of each root in the population. Then step 8, repeat the following step until n offspring have been created. In step 9, using fitness function finds the value of the error in the generation. Then step 10, the roots giving the highest fitness value are chosen. Then step 11, test the roots obtained the final values of feature extraction. Then step 12, if the obtained value are not according to the required one, then go to the step 2. Now we select the feature by using the algorithm. Then same step is contained in train data. The train data is contains a set of EEG signals. The EEG signals is get a normal and abnormal signal. Then that train data feature was extracted by the wavelet packet transformer and also that feature was selected by a genetic algorithm and it's converted to a matrix and it is stored in the RBF classifier to classify the test EEG signal. Then we go to RBF classifier. The RBF classifier already the train data will be stored at the same time the feature selection our test will be come. In RBF classifier is random radial basic function appear. We need to specify the getting unit activation function, the number of reprocessing unit, the creation for modeling a given task and a training algorithm for finding the parameters of the network. The hidden layer is used to train the RBF classifier by using the train data, and then the train data with compared to the test UG signal and give the result. The test UG signal are normal or abnormal. It is the prediction result. Now I going to demo our project. First open the MATLAB and then go to the main.m file and right click the main.m file and run the file. Then the process window will be opened. First we load the signal from dataset, and it is the signal, and then use the wavelet packet transformer. We extract the feature from the signal, and it is the feature of the test signal, and then we train the classifier, and now we go to select the feature of test signal. It is the genetic algorithm graph of the fitness function and generation. It contains a 62 generation and its fitness function is 2.04, and it is the performance graph. How to it is the genetic algorithm select the feature is accuracy. It's the accuracy graph of genetic algorithm. Then we classify the test signal, and that signal will be the normal signal. Then it is the confusion metric of the classifier. Now the confusion metric of the classifier is 100% accuracy. It is so the accuracy of the classifier. It is the 100% accuracy to classify the signals, and then it is the performance graph of the test signal. How to compare with the trained signal? It is the performance graph of the classifier classification, and then now select the another signal from dataset, and then the same process will done again. Extract the feature by using the wavelet factor, and then it is the feature of the given load signal, and then train the feature, and now select the feature by using G algorithm, and this is the performance graph of G algorithm, and then now go to the classification process. Now that signal is the abnormal signal, and now the classifier 100% accurate give the answer, and then it is the performance graph of the classifier, RBF classifier. Then we go to close the button to exit the process. Thanks for watching video.